In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Teams video quality. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you will need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. This involves either navigating to the Microsoft Teams website or opening the application on your desktop or mobile device. Once you have the platform loaded up, log in using your account credentials. It's that simple, and this will get you into your Teams environment where you can manage all your settings. Next, you will want to open the More Options menu. This is typically represented by an icon with 3 dots, and you can usually find it located at the top or side of the Teams interface. Clicking on this icon will display a drop-down menu that houses various configurations you can adjust. Once you've opened the More Options menu, look for and select Settings from the list. This is where you can tailor your Teams experience to better suit your needs. Now, you'll need to navigate to the Devices section. Within the Settings menu, there's a dedicated area labeled Devices. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage everything from your speakers to your microphone and, importantly, your camera settings, which is what we're focusing on today. In the Devices settings area, scroll down to find the Camera section. Here, you'll encounter a drop-down menu where you can select your preferred camera. This is an essential step, especially if you want to ensure that your video quality is at its best during meetings or virtual calls. When you click on the drop-down menu under the Camera section, you will see a list of available cameras. This may include both built-in options, like your laptop's webcam, and any external webcams you might have connected. Choosing high-quality hardware can make a noticeable difference in your video clarity and resolution. If you have an external webcam, it's generally recommended to select it over your built-in option, as external cameras usually provide better quality. So to sum it up, always ensure you are logged into Teams, access the More Options menu, navigate to Settings, go into Devices, and finally select your camera to optimize your video quality. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying clearer video calls and an overall improved experience during meetings on Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in enhancing your video quality on Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more